2015 Top Strata Baseball, just released today, December 23rd on Wednesday. You get one autograph and one relic in a box, 2 cards, $88. And I've seen some nice cards come out of it. Let's see what we get in this box. And as always, these cards will be available for sale. And check my kittiescards.com for group breaks and more. Come by the store and get some Strata. There's a box. First time they've done Strata in baseball. I almost thought it was a booklet. Okay. Edgar Martinez, 17 of 25 on-card auto. That's a pretty nice looking card. Very nice looking card. Let's see what this thick card is. Oh. You get a piece of paper with it. Not a decoy card. This is a thin piece of paper. $26 of 50. Red Sox. Is that Dustin? Oh, nice. Blake Swihart auto relic. And that's interesting. The piece of hologram on the jersey too. Very cool. And it's numbered 26 of 50, like I said. 26 of 50. Boston Red Sox. That's an interesting hologram. Very nice product. A Strata Baseball. Come get some at $88. Thank you.